Hey guys, welcome to Rinmac's channel. Today we're talking about lead generation tips. Got a lot of clients. We get to help a lot of clients with this. This is one of those tools that you always have in your arsenal, and is being able to get clients without struggle. And Rinmac helps clients in the finance industry, in the accounting industry, in the construction industry, varying industries to get clients. We're going to share a couple tips with you guys just to help out with what you're going through. So the first thing that we talk about is finding your customers' pain points. This is so key. It's figuring out what's bothering your customers the most and prioritizing that. This is applicable whether it's in politics, whether it's in business, whether it's in relationships. Just find out what's bothering. If you are a politician, you're gonna find out what's bothering your constituents. And if you are Instagram, you're gonna find out that communication and sharing your day-to-day activities is important to your clients. And so you find out what their pain points are and then resolve that. Secondly, you talk about creating content that resolves people's problems. So say for instance, hey, I'm a client. I'm subscribing to your newsletter. I want to see content that resolves my problem. I'm having problems with Facebook ads. Talk to me about Facebook ads. I'm having problems with Google ads. Talk to me about Google ads. I'm having problems with increasing my revenue. Talk to me about that. Go back to the original issue, just finding out what your pain points are for your customers, targeting those. And obviously, these are more obvious. She's offering a free demo. Most people don't want to sign up for new service with a new client that they don't know, and so give them a freebie. Say, I'm gonna come into your office, talk to you about your problems, and talk to you about how I'm gonna fix your problems. Make them happy, make the sale, make sure that they love what you're offering. Obviously, you want to target your audience. This is another important item. You want to target your audience to the point where okay, if I'm Bumblebee, the dating app, my target market is people between ages 25 and say 40. People who have financial stability, people who are looking to get married, probably their first marriage. Same thing if I'm targeting a particular group when it comes to dating, say older men and older women. So ages 50 to 60. What is your target market? Figure out your demographic, who your target market is. That's critical. And then obviously, last but not least, is collecting information about your potential clients. How do I keep in touch with these clients, potential clients? Get the email, get a text message, figure out a way to communicate with them that's convenient for them. These are some of the tips that I figure we'll share with you. Appreciate you joining and watching our channel. Have a blessed day.